In this video, we will show you how to turn on or turn off 5G services on your iPhone. Before moving forward, please note that 5G is supported on the following iPhone models: iPhone 12 series, iPhone 13 series, iPhone SE 2022, iPhone 14 series, iPhone 15 series. Now, to turn on 5G on your iPhone, open Settings on your iPhone. Navigate to Mobile Service. Next, tap on Mobile Data Options. Now tap on Voice and Data and select either 5G On or 5G Auto to turn on the 5G network. Now move back to the previous menu. You will find an option named Data Mode. Tap on it. Here you will find three options. Standard is the default here, where it allows updates and background tasks on mobile data. Then you have the option Allow More Data on 5G. This option allows a more free hand on data usage and movement. Lastly, there is the Low Data Mode, where it focuses more on preservation of battery and mobile data usage. Alternatively, if you want to disable 5G, then move back to the previous menu and select Voice and Data. Now select LTE/4G from the options. Please note that if you can't see the 5G option, chances are your carrier or existing data plan doesn't support it. This video will surely help you to enable or disable 5G on your iPhone. Subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our specially curated videos just for you.